Imagine finding a product on Amazon FBA that's raking in $45,000 a month with almost no competition. A product so overlooked, you could launch it next week and start seeing profits. Sounds too good to be true? In this video, I'm revealing 5 exact products set to explode in 2026 with low competition and massive margins. Stay tuned, because the last one is an absolute goldmine. Welcome to FBA Winner Radar, where we cut through the noise to bring you actionable product insights. If you're tired of guessing games and want to find your next winning product, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the data, analyzing trends, and uncovering opportunities that most sellers simply miss. Product number 1, the AI-powered Smart Pet Feeder. As pet ownership surges and smart home tech becomes mainstream, these feeders are flying off the shelves. Our data shows a staggering $15,000 in monthly revenue for top listings, with a competition score of just 4 out of 10. You can source these for under $20 on Alibaba and sell them for maybe $200. For office have huge search volume. Product number 3, portable mini projectors. Forget bulky home theaters. The demand is for ultra portable projectors that connect to phones. Listings are hitting $18,000 a month. Focus on battery life and smartphone compatibility. Our 4th winner, specialized coffee pod organizers. Everyone has an espresso or Keurig, and everyone hates the mess. Top listings are quietly pulling in $12,000 a month by solving a simple, everyday problem. And now, it's absolute gold mine. Product number 5, AI-powered language learning flashcards. The global language learning market is exploding. We're seeing listings for unique versions generating over $25,000
León.
with virtually zero
Lion.
direct competition.
León.
This is where innovation meets massive demand. There you have it, 5 winning products ready to dominate
Lion.
Amazon FBA
León.
in 2026. If you want to start sourcing
Tiger.
these, check out
Tigre.
my recommended tools in the description below. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.